Now, after discussing about the Euclid's geometry, lines, angles and triangles, in continuity of it, the new topic is the quadrilaterals. So, first of all, we must know what is a quadrilateral, how many types of quadrilateral are, and what are their properties. So, first thing, as we know, triangle is a closed figure bounded by three sides. Similarly, the definition of quadrilateral can be given as quadrilateral is a closed figure. We can say quadrilateral is a closed figure. Quadrilateral is a closed figure bounded by, we can say, four sides. Quadrilateral is a closed figure bounded by four sides, as I can show here, that is this shape A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. I can say A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. What are the characteristics? That it has four vertices. A quadrilateral has four vertices, it has four angles, it has four sides, it has two diagonals. A new word diagonal is coming. What is the definition of a diagonal? Diagonal is that line segment which joins the opposite vertices. That is, diagonal is AC and another diagonal is BD. Sum of all four angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. That is four right angles. So, quadrilateral is a closed figure bounded by four sides, having four vertices, four sides, four angles, two diagonals. Diagonal is that line segment which joins the opposite vertices. If I ask you why the sum of all four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So, why the sum of all four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree? I want to tell you this fact with the property of the ASP of triangles. Suppose I have a quadrilateral ABCD or PQRS, whatever you want to label, you can. We have ABCD is a quadrilateral. Symbol of quadrilateral I am using here. And I want to say that sum of four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C is equals to 360 degree, or sometime we call four right angles. How we can show? If I join A to C, I am going to join A to C. This is something question like given. This we want to prove a property of quadrilateral. This joining A to C can be considered as the construction. So, the construction is join A to C. Now, you can observe that this quadrilateral become the combination of two triangles. That is, in the proof you can say, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle 1 plus B plus 2, 1 plus B plus angle 2 is 180 degree by ASP of triangle. This is the equation number 1. Now, if I ask you, now in triangle ACD, you can say angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle D. Angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle D is also 180 degree with the same region ASP of triangle. This is relation number 2. If I ask you simply to add 1 and 2, you will say angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle B plus angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle D is equals to 180 plus 180. This becomes 360 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 3 named as angle A. Then angle B. then 2 plus 4 can be written as angle C and then angle D. This result is 360 degree. This is the required result which we would like to show. So what is a quadrilateral? Closed figure, bounded by 4 sides, having 4 vertices, 4 angles, having 2 diagonals. Sum of all 4 angles of any quadrilateral is 360 as shown to you. But if I draw one more shape of quadrilateral, that you can say it is also made up of the 4 sides P, Q, R, S. This is the closed figure, bounded by 4 sides, having 4 vertices, having the 4 angles. Then what? Is it a quadrilateral? Yes, it is also quadrilateral, but it is a concave quadrilateral, whereas this one is the convex quadrilateral. So quadrilateral are concave and convex. Convex is this where all the vertices are on the same side of any tangent drawn at vertex. But here you can see this is the vertex S, 2 vertices P and R on this side and another vertex is on this side. So this is the concave and this is a convex quadrilateral.